very colorful, very lively, and full of people, tourists and locals. And then this is the Pagoda. So there are so many people here, guys. You can buy a lot of stuff here. So this is where we bought the coffee a while ago. So this is the vibes now here. Tourists from all over the world. Then they sell a lot of stuff. So that one is in Hao. So by the way, guys, if you are into the history of Chinatown here in Singapore, you should visit this one. It's a very worthwhile experience. Unfortunately, it's closed now. So much. So night view is really very good because the streets are very colorful. Yeah, just look at that. And also here. And of course, over there, guys. Very colorful. Ano mga buildings po mga karaan ba? Wala din na nila gilabtan. Wala nang preserve. Wala, hindi mo na nilang buildings ng mga commercial.